In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply conditional formatting. And we have a spreadsheet here. So this is in Google Sheets. And I want to highlight the type of masks that people might have requested. And so this is for our fundraiser for Ronald McDonald House. We have not been able this year due to COVID to go to Ronald McDonald and perform our normal service project. So in that case, what we are doing is our wonderful junior civitan students are making masks per the guidelines of health organizations like the CDC, and we are offering them up for donation. So we wanted to make sure that we understood what type is being requested. So what I want to do is I want to highlight the type so that we know what the preference is. So in this case, I'm going to highlight that column. I'm going to click on Format, and I'm going to select Conditional Formatting. And yes, if you notice, I do have a column that is hidden because I don't want to show you people's names, just for privacy reasons. So, color scale over here in the Conditional Formatting. That's really awesome if your data is numbers. So your information right here is numbers. And then that makes sense. So you could set it up to where the larger the number, the darker the color, the lower the number, the lighter the color, or backwards, if you prefer. But I have text information here that I want to highlight, not numbers. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to, and these are the options. So for this range, the top is the range, and the range that this formatting is going to look at is just column B. So that's why it's got B1 through B1000. Now, I doubt we'll get 1,000 orders, but you never know. I'll leave it as that. Format rules. So if it's empty, you can tell it to be a certain color. If it's not empty at all, you can tell it to be a certain color. You can say text contains something, which is what I'm going to pick, or you can say if the text does not contain this. Text starts with, text ends with, and text is exactly. Be careful with text is exactly, because then you have to have it exactly. That includes capitalization, spaces, underlining, underscoring, all of that. So you got to be really careful. If you're using dates, this is really good for date is before, after, so forth. Greater than or equal to also is for numbers. Okay, so this is really good for financial stuff or any number calculation that you're looking up. So we're going to do text contains. And I'm going to put down, I'm going to start to type curved, right? And notice that if I just typed in C, it already highlighted that. So I can put just CUR, or I can type in the whole word. Let's go ahead and type in the whole word. And let's say curved. And we're going to have this, let's have that be like a light pink. Okay, good, because it's the red mask, so that's okay. And then let me add another rule. So this rule will come first. Okay, this rule will go first. Let's add another rule. And we're going to say text contains the word fold. And I'm going to use fold in this case. So we're going to do a light green. Okay, done. So now my students can take a quick look and see, oh, I got to look at this row. They want 2 of these. They want 2 of these. So there's 1 each. I'm going to leave those blank white because that makes them both look at it. Okay. So when they want something specific, they know this is what they have to look at. All right. So again, this is a way to do conditional format rules. But as this fills up, you'll see, and I'll show you. I'm just going to start typing. Bam. It already highlighted. And then I can keep going if I want to. And then we can see, oh, there we go. Excellent. And 1 each. And then let's say I want 2 each. Okay, that's something that they both are going to have to look at. So again, these are just examples. So you can see how the conditional formatting works. As soon as I start to type it in, I'm going to delete that and it'll go back to blank. All right. Thank you for watching. Oh, yes, I did. That's Control Z for undo. I did clear out one that I did not want to clear out. Let me fix that. All right. Thanks for watching, guys.